Hello, now I am in the kangaroo enclosure here where you can look at the kangaroos roaming around here freely. Let's go explore and find some kangaroos to feed. 那边有一只，那边有 kangaroo food 啊，可以去拿了，拿去那边给，去拿一点去给啊，用手抓一点点咯。Now we're going to get some kangaroo food for the kangaroos here. Alright, now we are going to search for something to put the kangaroo food in to feed the kangaroos. Oh, sana ukui leo dyan. These are the kangaroo pellets, so you can take them and feed the kangaroos that are around this area. 这些是女生的 kangaroo 哦。
你说？
男生都很大只哦。
还小吗？
没有，这是女生，女生比较 calm。
应该吃不完反正都。
不会的啦，它一定吃得完的啦。
可以换。
OK。哦，那现在还有很多。可以啊。
Let mommy take a picture of this funny kangaroo. Come over here. Yeah, let's mommy take a picture of this funny one sleeping.
Here's one kangaroo.
kangaroo
不是，
是什么？我们
不懂。
Follow me.
I will follow you. 跟那个阿嬷。不懂。哪里？
这边前面你看，哎，这边有。
哪里跳这？
在这边。
哦。
不要超空石头。
不会。
这边可以，哦，那边你看。
啊 ，OK。去看看，跟你一起拍。老师，他在准备讲 hello。We are now still searching for a kangaroo. There he is, one kangaroo. 这是男生来的，看得到。哎，女生。
很好。Hello. You want some food?
给他上谱吧。After a bit of walking, we found this area where every kangaroo is resting. This is the first time seeing so many kangaroos. 好像他是他妈妈哎。是。
这是做什么？
喝milk。
有 milk 吗？
哇，第一次看过 kangaroo。
是 milk 吗？好像不知道 porch。
This is the first time seeing the whiter fur kangaroos. I've never seen them before. 在这边，我帮你拍在这边。因为太。
知道我吗？
有。
哦。要吃吗？要吃吗？You want？哦，这下数一下子。我倒在这边才是。
一点点了。
你背。那还藏在人家屁股。
他口水。
咦。
You try? 你 try 你这样，放在你手，慢慢抠嘛。
这样子慢慢变化
那样抠，因为 feel 到它牙齿了。
很尖吗？
不会呀。Feeding the kangaroos, I can feel its teeth on my palm.
I think I should go. Let's go with the other one. Look at that other baby kangaroo.
你 try 你 try， 来，你放那一点在你手。那，你手拿来，不要怕啊，不要 screaming 哦。
它的脚1、2、3、4个。是吗？很好笑啊脸呢。确实啊。
不要怕啊，不用怕的，好 OK 的，慢慢抠啊。慢慢，你 feel 到它在慢慢摆上 ，It's OK，
给你，我不要。牙齿怕烧。
It's OK， 拿这袋拿去。你要不用 feel anything， 就这样啊。只是这个样。
送到他面前都不要。
它还 hungry。那边还有。
嗨，嗨。你看它害羞哦。哇。
它脸有一点不一样颜色。
Yeah, I found some hungry ones.
Hello.
That
尾巴太瘦了。
Yeah. Ew, that one just slobbered all over you.
After the kangaroo enclosure, we are now on our way to the reptiles. To the reptile.
Jesus Christ, there's loads of them.
I think these are blue tongue lizards, if I'm not mistaken. A tree frog. Yes, 还有一种龟好像，这应该有一个颜色不可以。
我衣服色完就给的是。
I think everything is in red in this particular enclosure to not disturb the animals or reptiles in their natural environment. That's the warmer python. This part of the enclosure is almost pitch black with some little dim red colors in the enclosure. That's what you can see, but this camera does a good job of capturing the light. This is the end of the video. This park is quite big, so I split it into many sections to make it easy for everyone to watch. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe.
Try to take a picture. And it comes hot, and it goes, you know.